Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ang balita ngayon. Goma against Mayor Magalong. Goma si Congressman Richard Gomez. Leyte 4th District Representative Richard Goma Gomez seems not happy with the statements of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. Instead of accompanying the petition against corruption, Goma even hit the mayor, who is clearly referring to Mayor Magalong for allegedly involving all the congressmen. Ito, mayroong post si Congressman Richard Gomez sa kanyang official Facebook page, nabasa ko. Hindi niya pinangalanan ang mayor. Kailang, kung intindihin mo, ako, pagkakaintindi ko, opinion ko lang ito, ang tinutukoy niya si Mayor Magalong. Ito ang kanyang post. If you have a problem with your congressman, face him. Don't drag all of us into your fight. Don't discredit every congressman just to make yourself look good. Yon ang payag ni Congressman Gomez. Elders may remember Mayor Magalong released a few statements recently that it is not only the contractor of DPWH to blame, but also the politicians behind the huge anomalies. They are the emerging masterminds, the mayor emphasized. Many netizens seem confused, as if Goma is more eager to defend Congress than to fight for the people against the alleged syndicate crime that Mayor Magalong himself is saying. In addition, Goma's vote in favor of Martin Romualdez as House Speaker in the 20th Congress is still fresh for some, which surprise many as well. Okay. Ako, saludo ako kay Congressman Goma Gomez doon sa 19th Congress. Nung tumayo siya, nagsalita siya, dinipensa niya ang war on drugs ni PRRD. Pati ang kanyang wife, si Mayor Lucy Gomez, ganun din. Matindi ang kanilang suporta sa war on drugs ni PRRD. And for that, marami ang humanga sa paninindigan ni Congressman Goma Gomez. Ngayon, ako personally, nabigla ko nung binutuhan niya si Speaker Romualdez. Akala ko, ano siya eh. Anyway, karapatan niya yon. Kaya lang, mas bibilib ako sa mga kongresista, kagaya ni Congressman Toby Chanco, Congressman Albi Binetes, yung mga nag-independent o kaya yung sumama sa minority. So, the fact na binutuhan ni Congressman Gomez si Romualdez, medyo nag-question mark na ako. Kahit si dating President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, bumoto rin kay Romualdez. Question mark ko nang mayon. So ito ngayon, nakakapagtaka. Although hindi niya pinangalanan si Mayor Magalong sa kanyang post, talagang, ano niya, tinitira. Tignan ko kung mabasa ko dito kay isinave ko. Ito. Ito ang kanyang post. Why is the city mayor making so much noise? Ito yung post ni Goma. It doesn't surprise me anymore that the so-called clean mayor is throwing accusations of corruption at us, congressmen. Corruption has become the easiest issue to ride on nowadays, but let's be honest, I don't think this is all about corruption. If this is about his own congressman, who happens to bring in more projects for his district than he can for his city, don't include all of us. If you have a problem with your congressman, face him. Don't drag all of us into your fight. Don't discredit every congressman just to make yourself look good. You talk non-stop about corruption in Congress. Why? Because it's an easy headline. Meanwhile, your own city is drowning in problems. The air quality is getting worse. There's not enough public transport. The waste disposal system is broken. The city is overcrowded. Illegal structures are all over and urban planning is shameless. Maybe it's time to fix your own house first before pointing finger at others. Gusto ko sanang mag-comment doon sa kanyang post, kaya lang hindi ka pwedeng makakomment. Kasi medyo iba ang dating sa akin eh. Ako, palagi akong bumibisita sa Baguio. Marami kaming kamag-anak and I can testify sa magandang leadership, governance ni Mayor Magalong. Napakalinis po ang Baguio City. Yung sinasabi niyang waste disposal, I disagree. Malinis ang Baguio. Disiplinado ang mga tao sa pagtapon-tapon ng mga basura. Disiplinado ang mga taxi drivers. Saludo ako dito kay Mayor Magalong na ngayon tinitira ni Congressman Goma Gomez. Hindi naman lahat ng kongresista ay nasangkot sa anomalya. Klaro naman yan. Hindi naman yan nila lahat. Kaya lang, damay ang lahat. Kaya nga, hintayin natin ang investigasyon. Di ba may kasabihan? Bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan, huwag magagalit. O yun, nabasa ko sa comments kanina na kung hindi kayo kasama sa korap, pabayaan nyo lang. Di ba? Imbes na suportahan natin, di ba? Mayroong mga mayors ngayon na pumipirma sa parang manifesto calling for transparency. Kakaunti pa lang sa ilan bang mayor sa buong Pilipinas? 4,000? Marami, kakaunti pa lang. Nasa more than 20 o 30 pa lang. So instead nga suportahan natin itong grupo ni Mayor Magalong, Mayor Vico Soto, Mayor Joy Belmonte ng Quezon City, Mayor City Hatama ng Isabela City. Instead nga suportahan, ito pa, binabatikos pa. Ano ba talaga? Anyway, bahala na ang taong bayang humusga sa kanila. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Tribong Talandig na sa channel na ito dahil ang income natin is pantulong sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Namimigay tayo ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Kaya panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Na anak ko sa among saging lakatan. So, ang among unang tanom lakatan. So, 200